Hello and happy Mardi Gras. This is Rozani, and these are my little jester heads. This one has built-in little hooks in the little cones themselves. You can dangle it from Mardi Gras beads or use it as a brooch or even as an ornament and decoration. This one has a little clothespin. You can put anything you like on the back. And it has the Mardi Gras colors of purple, green, and gold. It's fun to celebrate the Mardi Gras theme, even if there are no parades. You can always decorate or make crafts using the colors purple, green, and gold, and different icons like the jester. The techniques that I use to create these little jesters can be found in my playlist. There's papier mâché, pulp dough, and all kinds of other things for making jesters and other projects. Now this next one has a stem attached to it, and it has swirls going around the stem. You can decorate it however you want, with ribbons if you like, use different paints or glitter. It's all fun. So let the good times roll. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.